Salamat Pagi and welcome to MPOC Palm Oil Seminar 2021. My name is Mia Ali and I will take you through to today's event.
Heat the kitchen like a chef. Fried is the healthy choice. Fry it, fry it, fry it, fry it. Fry it like a pro. Fry it, fry it, fry it, fry it. Fry it like a pro.
So today we will explore the wonders of Malaysian palm oil.
With all benefits of high quality. On vegetable cooking oil made from palm, rich in beta-carotene. For freshness is guaranteed. Affordable and cholesterol-free. Heat the kitchen like a chef. Fried is the healthy choice. Fry it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this day will be filled with fun, learning, and of course, good food as we take you through to the wonders of the Malaysian palm oil. We hope that through today's set of activities, we discover new options to use in our kitchen to make healthier dishes.
Odorless and tasty, clean and healthier oil, fit for your cooking. Make it your best partner in frying, best for deep frying, baking and all. 100% pure vegetable cooking oil. Heat up the kitchen like a chef. Fry it is the healthy choice. Fry it, fry it, fry it, fry it. Fry it like a pro. Fry it, fry it, fry it, fry it. Fry it like a pro. Turn on the fire, let's.
Today truly has been a day of learning and discovery. We have been introduced to Malaysian palm oil and we hope that everyone here would consider this new product as our choice for cooking. We hope that through choosing the healthier option, we don't just make food more delicious, but also healthier.